chair with you. Oh, no. I'll squeal. I'll save my own gas. Shut up. What's wrong with you? What are we going to do with her?
Like to.
No, I won't have it. I won't stand for it, you hear? We tried. I know you couldn't drive this girl mad. And from now on, it's 50-50. I want half the necklace. And then I go my way and you go yours. I'm through with you, you hear? You get me? Shut up, will you?
I'll make you scream. Damn you! You've cheated me out of my inheritance. You didn't know I used to play around this house when I was a kid, did you? Well, I was the old man's favorite. He showed me the secret passage. So I should have been his heir, too. I am the next heir. See? There's my name. My name.
Canary, you're getting one of your spells.
When I opened that safe and read the will, I found out you had robbed me. Yes, robbed me. You thought I went for the police. Huh. Well, I didn't. Here's your necklace.
I want my hat now.
Try again.
Old double crossing. I'll take it all. Come on, kick in.
Thank God you're here. I'm scared half to death.
Scared?
Maybe.
I didn't kill him. He did it. He's been getting crazier and crazier. Just now he had one of his spells and tried to kill me. Tell that to the judge. Come on, you fellows. The police are waiting. And remember, I'll shoot. Now move.
Teamwork.